Welcome to your 5-day pronunciation challenge. This is day 1. Are you ready? So in this video, we're going to talk about whole word production. Many native and non-native English speakers have a tendency to trail off when they're speaking. They don't have enough breath support to finish what it is they're saying, or they just anticipate coming to the end of their thought and they trail off. And the problem is your listener often misses the message. What do I mean by whole word production? My goal for you is to concentrate on saying the entire word. For example, think of the word man and mat. They differ only in that final sound. So if you trail off, the listener may have to play back what was just said so they could figure out which word fit into that sentence. The problem is that while they're playing it back, you're still speaking and the message is then lost. So it's really important that you concentrate on saying the entire word. Don't trail off. To increase your awareness, a few other pairs of words include pose, poem, tan, tag, tray, trade. I can go on, but I think you get the message. Be aware of the entire word so that it doesn't go into the abyss, it's not lost, and your message is communicated loud and clear. And think of this with all words with final sounds. And practice. Here's a few words. Train. Focus on that final N. Famous. Focus on the final S. Sick. Focus on that final K sound. So in summary, I want you to think about how you're saying what you're saying in a different way. I want you to think about whole word production. Don't fall into the abyss. Don't swallow your words. Take a nice breath, have good breath support, and say the entire message. Tomorrow is day 2 of your challenge, and we have something very exciting in store. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.